Wow, Emily, did you make this?
Yes, Daddy, it's the galaxy.
It's beautiful. I'm so impressed.
My stars helped me feel better.
That's wonderful, Emily. I'm so proud.
Thanks, Daddy. Wow, Emily. I know, right? Look at the star. It's Ikusenla. This blue star looks amazing. Yeah, I'll make this one yellow. Great idea. This is so much fun.
Emily sat by her bedroom window and whispered softly.
I feel so lonely.
Outside, children were laughing in the park. They ran and chased each other under the warm evening sun. Their voices were full of joy. But inside Emily's room, everything felt quiet. Too quiet. She rested her chin on her hands and watched them through the glass. It felt like the happy world outside was far away from her. As the sky slowly turned dark, Emily looked up, hoping to see the stars. But tonight, there were none. The sky was empty. And somehow, Emily's heart felt empty too. Emily slowly turned away from the window. Her room was full of toys and books, but tonight none of them felt fun. She remembered something. There was a time when she loved drawing and painting. When she used her crayons, the whole world felt brighter. But lately, even her crayons stayed inside the box. She sighed softly. "Stars, where are you?" she whispered. "I just need a little light." As she wiped a tear from her cheek, something caught her eye. In the corner of the room, behind a small stack of books, sat a tiny canvas and a box of paints. Her mom had given them to her for her birthday. Emily stared at them for a moment. Then a small idea appeared in her mind. A tiny spark in all the grayness.
What if I make the stars myself?
She walked to the corner and opened the box of paints. Inside were bright colors. Sunny yellow, glowing white, and deep midnight blue. She placed the canvas on her little wooden table and picked up a brush. For a moment, she hesitated. The canvas was perfectly white. What if I ruin it? She thought. But then she remembered the empty sky outside. Doing something felt better than doing nothing. She dipped her brush into the yellow paint and gently touched the canvas. A tiny star appeared. Emily smiled. Her first real smile that day. "It's twinkling," she whispered. She added a tiny dot of white in the center. And suddenly, the star seemed to glow. "This one," Emily said softly.
Look at all these pretty stars! This yellow one is my favorite.
One star quickly became 2, then 3, then 10. Emily painted a whole sky across her canvas. Some stars were tiny and shy. Some were big and bold. One star was bright pink, like her favorite shirt. Another star was deep blue, like the ocean. Soon the canvas was filled with light. Emily laughed as her ponytail bounced while she painted. Paint smudged her nose.
This is so much fun. I love painting all these colors. Oops, paint on my nose.
Tiny dots of color landed on her shirt, but she didn't care. With every brushstroke, the heavy feeling in her chest became lighter. "My sky is beautiful," she whispered. The lonely feeling that had been so big before was slowly shrinking. Her painted stars were like little friends keeping her company. Emily decided her sky needed one more thing. A moon. A big glowing moon. She mixed white and yellow paint and began painting a gentle crescent shape in the corner. But something went wrong. The paint was too thick. The shape became messy. She tried to fix it, but the colors mixed into a strange gray smudge. Emily froze. Her smile slowly disappeared. "It's ruined," she whispered. All the happy feelings suddenly faded. The gray cloud of doubt returned. Maybe she wasn't good at painting. Maybe her stars weren't special after all. She put the brush down and stared at the canvas. For a moment, she thought about giving up. Just then, the bedroom door creaked open. Emily's mom stepped inside. She noticed the colorful painting right away.
Emily, sweetie, what's wrong?
I messed up my painting, Mommy.
It's okay, honey. Let's see.
Her mom leaned closer to the painting. She smiled. "I don't see a mistake," she said gently. I see a moon hiding behind a soft cloud.
Look at all these
Emily
stars, Emily.
blinked.
Each
A
one is a
cloud.
world.
Wow, Mommy,
Yes,
just like
her mom
you.
said.
Look at all these stars, Emily. Each one is a world.
Wow, Mommy, just like you. I messed up the moon.
Oh, sweetie, it's perfect.
Really?
You are very creative, she whispered. Emily felt the doubt melt away. I was sad earlier, Emily admitted, but painting the stars made me feel better. Her mom smiled. That's the magic of dreams. Emily picked up her brush again. With soft strokes of white paint, she turned the gray smudge into a beautiful cloud. The moon peeked out from behind it. Now the sky looked magical. She stepped back and looked at her painting. Stars sparkled across the canvas. The cloud floated peacefully beside the glowing moon. It looked like a real night sky. At that moment, the light from her lamp reflected on the paint. The stars seemed to glow. Emily's whole room felt brighter. Her heart felt brighter too. She hung the painting on the wall beside her bed.
Wow, the stars are so beautiful today.
And suddenly, her room didn't feel lonely anymore. Even small dreams, she whispered, can shine brightly. The next morning, sunlight filled Emily's room. But the brightest thing in the room was still her painting. Her dad walked in and noticed it right away.
Wow, Emily, did you make this?
Yes, Daddy, it's the galaxy.
It's beautiful. I'm so impressed.
My stars helped me feel better.
That's wonderful, Emily. I'm so proud.
Thanks, Daddy. Wow, Emily. I know, right? Look at the star. It goes Senla. This blue star looks amazing. Yeah, I'll make this one yellow. Great idea. This is so much fun.
She said, "Can you teach me how to paint stars too?" Emily grinned. Of course. She handed her friend a fresh sheet of paper. Soon they were both painting stars together. Emily realized something wonderful. Dreams don't just shine for one person. They can light the way for others too. That night, Emily lay in bed and looked at her painting. Outside her window, real stars had finally appeared in the sky. But the stars on her wall still felt special. They reminded her of something important. Sometimes the world feels dark. Sometimes we feel lonely. But we all have a light inside us. And when we believe in our dreams, that light can shine brighter than we ever imagined. Emily closed her eyes and smiled. Her stars would always glow. Remember this. Even the smallest dream can bring light into your world. So believe in your imagination. Be kind to yourself. And never forget the bright star that lives inside you. What is a small dream that makes you happy? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed Emily's story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.